another video. It's your girl Shaddie and my girl Dishane, and around the back we have Wesley and KK. Yeah! So guys, it's after 6 in the morning and we're going on an early river trip. So you know, say Kingston very hot, very hot. So when Anika say come we got a river, all I gotta say was wet. So today is the day. We keep us see this little river pop up on Instagram. It named Gutterhead Falls up in St. Thomas in the community of Islington. So we're going to try and see if we can locate. Ouch. No, so them brother. Guys, everybody has to, when you come to St. Thomas, you're gonna need front end parts. Because, and then it rained. So we're going at 2 hole already, right? Yeah. I will never know. Because it's full up of water. So right now, if my silica water settle, I'm just gonna assume that it's a hole. I just gotta assume that.
We don't want to go in no more. We're going at 2 already. I think that's enough. So yeah, we're trying our best.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and
subscribe.
Them no wake up yet, you know, guys. Them don't wake up yet. But people them pass me out. Now them 4x4. me na my 2x2. I have to take my time, sir. I have to take my time.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Yeah.
Up that hill, so better my park, yeah, so.
No, man, you go up to Sago Park. Yeah.
Go up Sago Park. So drive going right round. Respect.
Okay.
Left, right.
Where your bag? Do you have your bag?
Yes.
If you get too heavy, you tell me.
Yes. Which is
And I'm a cute walking thing now.
Me have to walk cute. Night again. Leave me here.
Where the water pipe you pump though?
Water? The water got that thing.
Gallas beer?
Yeah. It goes Amstead.
Yeah. So pump should it go?
No, I want to come up here.
Oh, I'm going down quick. Oh, okay.
Go back to feed this, you know. Go back to feed this.
Yeah, I realize. So I said that we realize.
Guys, we are here soon.
a donkey.
It's a donkey or a jackass.
A donkey. What is a donkey doing down there?
But now you know now?
Yeah.
Next time when you come here, come straight up. Because you know your way now, right?
Yeah, man. I saw road that.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, so we go.
Yeah, take your time. Because maybe you have few little stone where you need to climb, or maybe they not have to climb over that fence on the road with them.
Alright, guys.
No, just give them the rope and roll up on the rope and go right there. And take them little time, go down.
Take your time, kid.
Just take your time, go down.
You alright? You afraid?
You have any more rock off of that?
No. Look, because look here now, you're gonna, up there you're gonna go now. Okay. Yeah, up you're gonna go.
How far up?
No, man.
Well,
You're the right in the water region. The river that's on this, huh?
Oh.
After I go down there, so I know the river there. May I go up on the farm now, so
honestly, yeah.
may I go on top of take you, yeah?
Yeah, man,
Hope to see you
thanks.
next time.
Yeah.
And then this butterfly, if you go up on the website.
Okay.
Butterfly thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is a part of you now? Alright, that I out this?
Yeah.
Oh. You
I'm
afraid?
holding Shaddie and yeah, me and Shaddie.
Oh, me and you, me and no luck. Guys, you know much video watch, I will never see nobody go through this obstacle course.
Going to
I me see when she reach the top, and then me see. That's why I keep see the top, and then you see the river.
The blue spot. Nobody that tell you them go through. Caitlin afraid. Come Caitlin, are you next? Give me a kiss. You got this. After me kiss you, you're going to tell me say that can't work. Now you might come follow. Hey. Caitlin.
She's going.
Alright, mechanic go on then. Caitlin say, Anika go next.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are here with a force.
Even though I feel like my flip-flops are gonna work on me with the flipping and the flopping.
Just don't worry about it. You got this, girl.
What if I drop?
You're not drop.
What if I drop there?
Your time now.
So quick. Danger calls. Danger's calling me. And it's taking me.
It will all be worth it. Hopefully. Champion girl. Just take your time and do him say, yeah? Just take your time, look what you do, just look, yeah? Take your time. Just take your time.
What is this, Raja? This is the pin name. Okay, I got exactly.
No don't go ill. Come on. It's here. You can't pop that. You can't pop that vinyl, you know. If you can't swim from that bench. Hang down the road.
Give him away. Anika said no more rural river. Oh, show and go place where we can drive and park and go in. We're not in this again.
Where? This undiscovered. Land, money of the maroon.
This is the real.
I probably didn't build that enough. So we can walk over
Here
go
comes
beard.
the sun. Guys, we're in the juggling, the people have one third back.
Feel solid.
It's solid B, I see that wood.
Alright.
No, let's forget anything about camera.
Watch me.
Where's that?
You must know about see that.
There we are. Mahogany.
Oh, natural.
Who first?
What do you call it?
Oh.
Frozen?
Killing, no, make the man go first. Always. Them say woman live longer than man.
Yes, it's true.
Hey, hold on upon this.
And you can see the water go blue. You see the potential.
Wait. I'm stuck there by to the wall. Just say all on side.
Hold on.
And send me to tell you my story. That's how blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. Read from me the light. You know, some my passion ignited. Got the music me excited.
We see one look a trickle. We don't know what I'm going, but I feel like it.
It's an obstacle course. What?
I know that's
You
so.
know say I go there so what the river dry down?
No, Roger. I know yes.
Them go through there so then.
Yeah.
Go on up now.
Have faith.
There's no
We person.
Wait, we are going in that.
Me call
We are
Robin here,
going
man.
in that cave.
Tell him so we just reach the bridge.
Master Roy!
Yeah!
Sir Roy!
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh my God.
This branch look like it.
Roger, you want me to go ahead and look if you see now?
I say well protected.
Let me go ahead and come back. Though.
You alone?
Yeah, why not? Me can't feel that you're here.
So, we send Dijon and Raja. We go make sure so we're up on the right track. So we just sit down here and wait. Guys, this look. Oh, we must know which path we go. No, sir. Guys, if you don't want to come here, just know say we're not up for a challenge. Hey! Woo! That's why blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the top. Read from me delighted. You know some of us are ignited. Got the music me excited. Wait. Oh, sugar. For sure. Take time. Just take on time. And we are here.
Finally!
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you know me. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine feel me slowly. Love you seen the way to me live. I do with the world I've seen her. Yeah, nobody will be over. Not the Lord that they go far.
I'm here blind back. What you trading? The swimmer them can't see, so what we are gonna do? We can't see on the water. Yeah, it's because I'm goggles, guys. Okay, I like it. You know what I want a refund. Watch it. Oi, rock ahead.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good.
These are the chucks, you know.
Hey, catch it. See how you do. You're not tough.
Yeah, stand up. You can't swim.
Yeah, stand up.
Yes. You're taller than me? Yes.
Definitely taller than me.
Yeah, stand up. Yeah. You're cool, baby. Come. You not cool? Cassidy, you're not cool?
I'm too short.
Your mother said to come and say she can't see you. You see. Go on over there so make we see. Tell him I don't want you to trim but too much.
John, you stand up now?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah.
A big swimmer, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, my aunt feel the ground. Feel the ground. Feel the ground. Listen.
Boy, you can't see you the water. Where you?
Black drop in there?
Where's that? You cannot see. She in the water. Cool. Guys, this is so pretty. Him struck off. I mean, let's put swim. Yeah, enjoy, was it?
I am here watching you.
Alright, question for everybody. Was it worth the hike?
Yeah, it worked. It works, man. It works. I like the sea, I like the fall.
Yeah.
I can imagine it coming down heavier.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice. But you know, the other not get wet up. Look.
can scream so. A competition. Alright. Oh, what time killing them what we have? Woo! No, Cha.
Did they come out of the water? Did they come out of the water?
That's some mad people jump out the water.
Yes.
No.
Listen now, stop me, I'm afraid.
Stop that now.
My ear is... Go on. You can do it, so I can do it. Alright. You cannot jump off now. Yeah, girl. Do I want to pick up though? Wait. Come, one. Just jump. You jump by your foot? Yes. You never. Here we go. Here we go, the rope. The foot can't go up the board. Yeah. You can't do it. We don't have time for that. It's nice.
I'm sure you do them today. Let me. Come, can I go down in the water though?
Yeah.
Where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind to go. And I'm not gonna lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby. She don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby. If my word is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord.
Guys, this nice bar is so sad that we have to go. Every time we go somewhere, I will say we have come back. I will not end up come back. So listen, this name Gutterhead. It was a time. I appreciate the river being kind to us.
I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man say, follow the star. Yeah, you shall find them. It's a bad fight. If you're your enemy shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the line. You could never kill my vibe. Okay, we no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take it. Vibe killer, love is somebody done. Protect my energy from your heart. My past don't say that be my healer. Everything I desire, I go this deep. My flow like a river. If you get a walk, come on, one sit down. I go just for that. Come on, my figure. I go just follow my dreams. I'm feeling right, so right.
Guys, so we have to go right now. I know it was a short time, but we enjoyed a little time. And the river, it feels refreshing, it is cold. It is definitely worth the trip, guys. Just go over the little rock them and you'll get there, alright? Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you in the next one.